Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Live and Diecast by GB. So it's been a while since I last uploaded an unboxing video. I was in Japan for a couple of weeks, but before that, we're still waiting for the latest Hot Wheels case here to drop here in the Philippines. So now we already have the 2025 Hot Wheels Mainlines or basic e-case. So we're a bit behind with the other countries or regions. So I've seen the latest G case been released in Malaysia, I guess. So yeah, we're quite a bit behind with the release. But anyway, since we already have this e-case, so I'm gonna show it to you. We will unbox this one and we'll see if we can get the super treasure hunt or a regular treasure hunt. So I believe the super treasure hunt is the Aston Martin DB5 high speed edition. That was a new release last year, or new casting last year. So we're looking to get that one, and we'll see if we'll have any other surprises. Okay, in this case, so yep, we have it opened, and okay, so let's start. Okay, so it's a flippin' fast. Okay, we have the 58 Chevy Impala. So I think this is new to this case. Yeah. And then we have the sushi tuner. Okay, next. Okay, this one's from the previous D case, the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Also from the previous case, Haco Type D. And stock car. Okay, next we have the Power Rocket. And we have Tune It Up. Okay, this is also from the previous case, the 23 Ram 1500 in black. Okay, next, also from the previous D case, the 76 Chevy Chevette. Also from the previous case, it's the Knight Rider kit, KITT, in flames. Another one from the previous case, it's the 70 Plymouth Superbird Hot Wheels art cars. Okay. Also from the previous case, the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Okay, and this one's the later Crater. Okay, so this one's new to the case. It's Mazda Autozam in the recolor. So it's previously in red for this year, so now it's in brown. Okay. Next, Okay, another one from the previous DKs, the yellow Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. Okay, let me just put this once. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, also the Cruise Bruiser from the previous case. And another one from the previous case is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. So we're seeing a lot of castings from the previous DKs. Okay, so this one's new to EKs. It's the Range Rover Velar. Yep. Hot Wheels Then and Now. Number 122. Yeah. So it's nice. It's beautiful. Okay, another one from the previous case, the Toyota GR86 Cup. Also, the Gordon Murray Automotive T33 from the previous case. And another one from the previous case, it's the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. Okay, the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in black, also from the previous DKs. And another Tune It Up. So I think we've only seen like 4 castings, new castings for this E-case. So it's the Max Steel. Next is the RD06. So I think this one's new to E-case. Hot Wheels designed by. Okay. And then we have the also from the previous case, the Tesla Cyberquad. Okay. The Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, another one. Slide kick. Okay, and yeah, okay, this one's new to the E-case, the Skull Shaker, Xperi Motors. Okay, Skull Shaker. So this one has special feature, like the skull moves. Okay, so when you roll the car, the skull will move. Yeah. Okay, next up we have another Knight Rider kit. Yeah. And okay, this one's new to the E-case, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in yellow now. Hot Wheels Race Day. Okay. And then okay, so this I believe is the regular treasure hunt for the E-case, the Rig Storm. Okay. So yep, there's the Silver Flame logo. Okay, so the Rig Storm, X-Racers. Okay, that's nice. Moving on. Okay. So I think this one's new to the e-case. It's the 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, in racing livery. Hot Wheels Then and Now, number 121. Okay, so also this one's new to the e-case. It's the recolor of the Tesla Model S Plaid, now in white. Okay, and then we have the mid-mill. Okay, so that's the first layer, first 36. We'll move on to the next layer. Okay, these ones are deep in the box. Okay, we've got another 2023 Ram 1500. And the long block. So I think this one's new to the e-case. We have another Tesla Cyber Quad. Okay, and from the previous case, we have the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger, International Women's Day, Hot Wheels Celebration Racers. We have another Mazda MX-5 Miata. Okay, and then we have the Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition. Okay, in yellow, but this one's just the regular casting. So it's not the super one. It's not the super treasure hunt. So it's this. It says there. Lickety split. Yep. It's nice looking. Okay, moving on. We have another Lamborghini Miura SV. Okay, and from the previous case, it's the 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck B120. So this one's the Super Treasure Hunt from the D case. And then we have the Silverado EV RST in gray. So I think this one's new to this case. Okay, next up, we've got another Cruise Bruiser. And Chevy Super Volt. So I think this is new to the e-case. Chevy Super Volt Hot Wheels EV. Yeah. Okay, we have another stock car. And another Silverado EV RST. Another 58 Chevy Impala. Another Sushi Tuner. Okay, and we have another Flippin' Fast. Okay, we have another Toyota GR86 Cup. Okay. they just crumble. Okay, the another Chevy Blazer 4x4. Okay, and Ain't Fair, also from the previous DKs. The Ain't Fair bus. Okay, so this is new to the case. It's the TV series Batmobile. Okay, I'm not sure what the color is. Could be metal gray. I'm really not sure. Sorry. Okay, but I have this one in black. That was a previous release. I think probably 2022, I guess, or 2020, 2021. Okay. We have another Chevy Chevette. Okay, next up. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. No, no. Okay. So we have this Formula One Williams racing car. Okay, but it's in bad shape. Bad shape. Oh no. This one's one of the sought after castings in this case, or this year, but this one's in bad condition. The card is in bad shape, really bad shape. Okay, so I guess we'll just have it loose. Okay, next up we have the recolor of the 2021 Ford Bronco, now in yellow. Okay, we have another card bent slide burn. Okay, I think this is new to the case. Slide burn. Card is bent. Okay, next up we have another long block. And another 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. Okay, another Ain't Fair bus. Okay, and another 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Another Hackle Type D. And okay, this one's new to the case. It's the Drift Ender. Okay, it's got purple wheels on. Okay, you can see the inside. Yeah. So it's a police car. Yeah. Okay, we're down to the last 6. We have okay, this one's new to the case. It's the Ford Escort in racing livery. Okay, so it's got that yellow interior. Okay, nothing much in the front and in the back as well. Okay, so this is the Roadster. Okay, we got another Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. Okay, well, we're down to the last three. Oh, so we have another Brazilian Dodge Charger. Okay, and another. So, okay, sorry, this is new to the case. It's the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in red. And number three. And Hot Wheels then and now. Okay. So that's the red Honda Civic. Nothing really much. Tampos or decorations at the rear. So it's number 123. Okay, that's nice. JDM's always sought after. Last one for this case is the 1991 GMC Cyclone. So I think this one's new to the case as well. Okay, so that's it for this case. So if I'm going to choose my top cars or top castings for this case. Okay, so let me select some of them. Okay, so we don't really have much of new castings or new release in this e-case, so I'm gonna have to choose between the following. Okay, so I'm gonna pick these six. So the Ford Escort and the Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition, the Williams Racing F1 car with its car totally wrecked, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in yellow, and the Range Rover Velar. Okay, so we didn't get the Super Treasure Hunt, but we did get the regular Treasure Hunt, and most of the cars inside here are from the previous D case. So that's gonna be it for me today, fans. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, Live and Diecast by GB. You can also like and share my videos. So I'll be seeing you again in the next video, in the next unboxing. Sorry, as I've mentioned earlier, I was in Japan for a couple of weeks, so I've also tried to look for die-cast cars out there. I mean, probably next video I'm gonna share what I have found or hunted in Japan during my stay there. Okay, so please watch out for that. Okay, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you. Bye.